Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best hand screw reviews. Number 5. Dubuque clamp works, made in USA with hand screw clamp, 8 inches hard maple jaw. Superior quality woodworking clamp comes at affordable and competitive price. Versatile clamp can be used in various projects. Jaws are made American hard maple to work efficiently and last many years. Brand: Dubuque Clamp Works. Weight: 2.1 pounds. Made in USA. Model: HSC6. Dimension: 13 x 1.5 x 8 inches. Number 4. 8 Pro. US a 30,143 wood hand screw clamp. Perfect for gluing. Large handles provide torque and comfort. Suitable small projects. Adjustable jaws can provide a strong grip. Brand: ATE Pro. USA. Weight: 1.11 pounds. Model: 30143. Color: clear. Made in China. Number 3. Partek 71040 wooden hand screw clamp. Able to provide a firm grip and hold workpieces into the position. Ideal for using in various applications. Adjustable clamp can provide hard but gentle grip. Perfect for delicate work material. Large ergonomic handles ensure maximum control and comfort. Brand: Partek. Weight: 12.8 ounces. Model: 71040. Dimension: 12 x 6 x 1.2 inches. Jaw length: 6 inches. Clamping capacity: 3 inches. Number 2. Vesey HS6 6 inches wood hand screw clamp. Adjustable jaws allow a strong grip. Oiled wooden jaws prevent slip and won't damage your workpiece. Spindles and swivel nuts are made of carbon steel for added strength and durability. Brand: Vesey. Weight: 14.4 ounces. Model: HS6. Dimension: 12 x 6 x 1 inches. Jaw length: 6 inches. Throat depth: 3 inches. Number 1. Vesey HS12 12 inches wood hand screw clamp. Large spindles provides extra strength and increased durability. Acme thread doesn't wear off after years of hard use. Oversized hardwood handles allow maximum comfort. Spindles and swivel nuts are made from carbon steel that for added durability and strength. Brand, Vesey. Weight, 1.68 pounds. Model, HS12. Dimension, 22 into 12 into 2 inches. Material, wood carbon steel. Jaw length, 12 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!